Hey ladies and gents, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at now the 5 best potential cryptos to be dollar cost averaging into or researching in the cryptocurrency markets. Following this small correction that we've seen for Bitcoin, it's been from 49-ish K down to the 40K region. We actually saw a low of 38.5K. So we saw about $10,000 wiped away and about $200 billion lost in the overall market valuation at the moment, from 1.83 trillion to 1.862 billion dollars. So guys, let's talk about it. 5 of the coins that I'm dollar cost averaging into, and I am very excited to see the next big moves and the future unfold for them, because I believe there's utility and fundamentals attached. So the first one is going to be, of course, the OG Ethereum right here. Ethereum has actually came down from $2,600 to $2,252 because we saw Bitcoin get wiped away. Ethereum dominance is sitting at 16.7% of the total global market cap share as well at the moment. So we're back in a red zone, and just looking at simple metrics like before early January when Ethereum was at 2.2K, it did prove to be a good dollar cost average region. But of course, it doesn't mean Ethereum can't come down lower to $1,800. I'm anticipating things such as Ethereum ETF positions and proposals, which could also create short-term euphoria like we saw for things like Bitcoin. Not saying that it's going to give long-term massive value, but it could create more sort of buy the rumor, sell the news sort of thing, or buy the rumor, buy the news, sell the rumor. I can't even remember. I always get that thing wrong, right? So it just could effectively create a short-term euphoric bull run for Ethereum when the news does start talking about the ETFs. We also have the flippening, which is a huge sort of speculation where Ethereum actually starts to flip Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency markets now. Remember, this becomes more difficult as more altcoins actually are launched in the crypto markets. If you go back 10 years, 5 years, there weren't many competitor ecosystems out there. So of course that overall market share is distributed among many more crypto projects. But we do typically see Bitcoin dominance reduce and Ethereum's go up when there's some big news. And I think with Ethereum's massive growth and still holding itself as basically the largest chain here with the largest amount of TVL of $31 billion, I think Ethereum is usually a good one to be getting your hands on during times of sort of upheaval and fear in the markets. I think we're also going to see a big price tag for Ethereum in the future, looking at $8,000 to $12,000. Coin number 2 will be Uniswap. This coin has had a large downtrend in the last 7 days from $6.20, actually pulled back to $5.60, and we're seeing a $5.93 price tag at the moment for Uniswap. If we look at the month, we're even down further, $7.63 to $5.93. So that's quite a large correction there for Uniswap, which is of course a massive decentralized exchange. $3.5 billion market capital for Uniswap. But the thing is, guys, we can see it with the supply. The problem is with the ever increasing circulating supply, this is of course not good for the price of Uniswap if you're looking at each token's price, because once this was $42, but to get back to $42 is going to require a significant amount of work now. Now, I do personally think in the bull runs we will see a $10 to $15 valuation, a $1 billion valuation for Uniswap. So keep your eyes peeled on it and wait for those lows. We're seeing a low at the moment of $3.5 billion. So we could potentially see some more movement to the upside here. I'm targeting actually by the bull run for Uniswap, a $20 Uniswap. Now the next one, coin number 3, will be Sucoin. This is one that we've been following for a while on this channel. If you followed this channel and subscribed and watched the first few Su token videos, you'd be up massively at the moment in the crypto markets. Now, $1.45. You can see there's a lot of resilience with this token. We were trading at $1.40, came down to $1.34, and more recently we actually dropped back down to $1 and have pumped 40% since. So $1.42, a big correction, 40%, and then another 40% pump, and we're back to $1.45 here for Su token. So it is on the brink of potentially breaking out and creating a new all-time high over here. Su coin, $1.6 billion, and it is teasing another leg up. I do think it's very possible to see a big pump here for Su coin, so might potentially go long on this token. 642,000 followers. So Su token has recently climbed up the DeFi llama ladder. You can see the last 7 days change up 27%. It's one of the fastest growing DeFi ecosystems right here, with $418 million currently locked into the project. And look at that, the chart doesn't lie, it's just ever so bullish with the TVL right there. Coin number 4 is going to be a token that is yet to launch soon on new centralized exchanges. That is correct, guys. So missed Sponge's 100x pump in 2023. Now is your chance to buy Sponge V2. So they're bridged and staked in $3.6 million right now. Sponge V1 launched in May 2023 and actually did a 50x, which was completely parabolic. It was euphoric. It was an amazing ride, and people in the Discord actually got to witness this happen and make a significant amount of money. Then Sponge went into a lull phase, and they've just recently announced the V2 launch, hence why we're seeing more massive volatility and price action here for the Sponge token. So anticipating the next big thing for Sponge, which is more, bigger and better centralized exchange listings. It's already on exchanges like the ones you can see on screen right here, which to me is a very bullish factor because these are some big exchanges and more are yet to come. Sponge token, we can see, has a market cap of $23 million. A 10x takes it to $233 million. They have liquidity of $369,000 as well. And the Twitter page, quite a large one, of 30,000 followers. So if you like a high risk, high reward entity, I've got a link down below where you can do your own research, due diligence, and potentially grab some of the Sponge token. Please always do your own research and due diligence, and remember, it's not financial advice. You can see recently they are also celebrating over 6 billion tokens that are staked now for Sponge, with their large looking 257% APY rewards, which are up for grabs. The 5th coin will be the one and only Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, it did come down to 38.8k, and usually buying red for Bitcoin, buying the fearful crashes, can prove to work quite well. But we have, of course, the Bitcoin halving coming up, guys, which is very exciting. 79 days to go now until we see the Bitcoin halving take place, where the rewards for every block mined will, reduced down to 3.25 from 7.5, I think, where we are, or something like that. Sorry, 6.25 down to 3.125. So we'll see those rewards, of course, drop massively, which will help reduce the injection of supply and make Bitcoin yet again even more scarce. And we should see a post-halving pump, which usually happens over 6 months after the Bitcoin halving. Fear and Greed Index, we're looking at 55 right now in the crypto market. So yeah, I can understand if you're a beginner in the crypto markets, you're probably feeling a little bit emotional, a little bit shaked out, and a little bit sort of scared right now, but it's absolutely fine. This is completely normal for cryptocurrency. If you're new here, do subscribe, like, and comment. Get yourself into the Jacob Cryptobury Discord down below, and also consider becoming a patron. If you want to unlock over 500 trading signals per month, we've got the Crypto Legend package, the Crypto Champion package. Make sure you get in the Discord and join an army, a fleet of wonderful people that are enjoying their trading signals, but also just enjoying the community and just, being part of the clan and being here every single day. So really glad to see a lot of people making some good money in these markets. And make sure you do just say hi. Just come and say hi. There are no requirements to join for free. And if you're looking for an exchange, MEXC currently have great tiny fees and no KYC to do all your crypto trading. This is where I do all my cryptocurrency trades. As you can see, I've got quite a large position open at the moment, waiting to enter on a few different tokens right here. So yeah, again, thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Stay crypto safe.